Augmented reality must be more budget-friendly.
Augmented reality must be more budget-friendly. We understood, and our goal is to make augmented reality more budget-friendly. Over the last few years, we have had the opportunity to learn and research a lot about augmented reality. From the pay-per-scope illusion techniques through the head-up displays for pilots and car drivers to Microsoft HoloLens. We have also developed many hardware prototypes and software applications. And we have worked with the freelancers from the whole world. And today we are sure that augmented reality solutions can be budget-friendly. We analyze the market by asking people about their wishes and expectations of augmented products. And now we want to demonstrate to you our product that called BUFARP, budget-friendly augmented reality products. As part of BUFARP project, we also want to show you our first hardware and software products category, which called HoloFrames. We would be very glad with your interest and support on BUFARP project, so that we can make more progress in the idea and vision of budget-friendly augmented reality solutions. And now you are welcome to our detailed presentation of BUFARP HoloFrame products.